Thanks to Game of Thrones earning a heap of Emmy nominations, the script to the series finale has been made publicly available online.
In reading it over, we found the answer to a burning question from the final episode. Why did Drogon melt the Iron Throne?
Burning question, saw what you did there. But maybe not the most pressing question given how polarizing the end of the show was, but a lingering question nonetheless.
The reason fans have been wondering about Drogon's motivation is because, while it's been demonstrated that dragons are of high intelligence, it seems a stretch that Drogon would understand the importance of a geopolitical symbol and that his mother's desire for it is what led to her demise.
And the script clarifies that is indeed not the case. As it turns out, Drogon did not intentionally melt the throne. It was a complete accident. The script, penned by showrunners David Benioff and D.B. Weiss, details how Drogon finds Jon over Daenerys' dead body, becomes enraged, and readies a breath of fire. In that moment, we learn that Drogon wants to burn the world, but he will not kill Jon, and instead, he breathes fire on the back wall. The script even clarifies that the Iron Throne was not the target of Drogon's wrath, just a dumb bystander caught up in the conflagration. Nice word choice.
So there you have it. It seems Drogon only wanted to vent his rage and the chair just happened to be in the way. Of course, while Drogon didn't mean to destroy the Iron Throne, the showrunners clearly wanted to find a dramatic way of eliminating that object of power to symbolize the end of the Game of Thrones the characters had been embroiled in for years. So it was going to be destroyed one way or another.
Glad that's cleared up. Now, if only we could get the answer to my biggest question about the finale. Why didn't they give Cersei anything to say in the final season? She's one of the best characters with the best dialogue, and all she does is look at a freaking window the whole time.
Oh, dang. Okay, well, let me see if they explain that in here. Oh, God.
While Joshua picks that up, go to the comments and let us know, what do you think of how that scene went down?
And for more IGN Now, watch our video on Ryan Reynolds teasing Deadpool joining the MCU in Phase 5 and why Evangelion fans are mad at Netflix over the re-release.
And be sure to follow and subscribe for more IGN Now.
Okay, let's try and find that.
Say Cersei on
let's
here?
find that Cersei page.